Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to draft welcome guides. So first of all, open your browser and make sure that you are logged in GPT with your account. So now what you have to write in the prompt according to your specific situation. For example, I'm writing over here to write a welcome guide for the university students. You can make it more narrow. For example, you can also write in make sure to include the important aspects of the orientation, which includes classes, teachers, and canteen information, and hit enter. So now wait for a while and let's see what ChatGPT has for us. So here you can see ChatGPT has drafted a whole document for it. Here's the orientation overview, what we will be doing, your classes, the first week, your teachers, and everything. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.